equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These will help you safely open the laptop and avoid any static damage to the components. First, power off your HP 15BW025NS and disconnect it from any power source. Remove the battery by sliding the battery release latch and lifting it out. This step is crucial for your safety. Next, locate the screws on the back panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove all screws. Keep them in a small container to avoid losing any. Once the screws are out, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back cover. Start at one corner and work your way around, being cautious not to damage the clips. With the back cover removed, you'll see the internal components. Locate the charging port, which is usually situated near the power connector. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean any dust or debris around the area. This will ensure a smooth installation of the new port. Now, disconnect the old charging port by carefully unclipping it from the motherboard. If you find this process challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assist you if you're unsure about any steps. Once the old port is removed, take your new charging port and align it with the connectors on the motherboard. Press it down gently until it clicks into place. Ensure it's secure, as a loose connection can lead to further issues. Before reassembling, it's a good idea to test the new port. Connect your charger and check if the laptop powers on. If everything works fine, you can proceed to reassemble the laptop. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transport. To reassemble, place the back cover onto the laptop and press down until you hear the clips snap into place. Replace all screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened properly but not over-tightened, as this can damage the casing. Finally, reinsert the battery and power on your laptop. Check the charging port again to confirm it's functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. We are here to help you with any laptop problems you may face. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the charging port on your HP 15BW025NS laptop. Enjoy your device with its new charging capabilities. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.